6 superfoods to cleanse your body from harmful toxins. Hi everyone, welcome to the Gateway of Wellness, where the right food choices can unlock your body's full potential. Ever wondered how to flush toxins out of your body but not quite sure how to do it? Well, what if I told you that the key to detoxifying might just be in your pantry or at the local grocery store? We often hear about various cleanses, diets, and detox regimens, and while some of them are genuine, others might be misleading. But here's the truth: nature has provided us with a bounty of foods that are not only delicious, but are also powerful cleansers for our bodies. In today's video, we're going to dive into the universe of food, where you'll discover 6 astonishing edibles that can naturally detoxify your body. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a holistic roadmap to cleansing that's not about restriction, but about liberation, liberation, liberation from toxins. That is, buckle up because you're about to become your own nutritionist. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. After all, who wouldn't want to feel rejuvenated, energized, and healthier, all while enjoying some seriously good food? Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, lemons. These bright yellow fruits aren't just for adding a tangy twist to your dishes or a refreshing kick to your beverages. When it comes to detoxification, lemons are the stars of the show. First and foremost, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body against harmful free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, leading to a buildup of toxins and, potentially, to a variety of health problems. Vitamin C helps to neutralize these free radicals, making lemons a natural weapon against toxins. Additionally, lemons stimulate the liver, our primary detoxifying organ. They enhance the liver's enzymatic processes, helping to oxygenate the blood and contributing to the body's ability to flush out toxins. But the benefits don't stop there. Number 2, beetroots. With their rich, vibrant color and earthy flavor, beetroots are a great addition to any diet. But they are also loaded with health benefits, including a remarkable ability to help cleanse the body of toxins. Beetroots are high in compounds called betalains, which have potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. These compounds help to boost the body's detoxification process by triggering the enzymes in the liver that help break down and eliminate toxins. Additionally, beetroots are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and supports gut health. A healthy gut is essential for effective detoxification, as it helps to ensure that toxins are effectively eliminated from the body rather than being reabsorbed. Beyond their detoxifying abilities, beetroots offer a host of other health benefits. They're packed with essential nutrients like potassium, manganese, and vitamin C. The high nitrate content in beetroots can help lower blood pressure, enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use, and boost overall heart health. Number 3, ginger. Known for its zesty flavor and its long-standing use in traditional medicine, ginger has powerful detoxifying properties that can aid your body in cleansing itself of harmful toxins. Firstly, ginger is well known for its ability to soothe the digestive system. It speeds up the movement of food through the digestive tract, helping to alleviate issues like indigestion and bloating. This increased movement helps to prevent the buildup of waste and toxins in the body. Moreover, ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and shogals. These are antioxidants that play a key role in controlling the free radicals in the body, thus reducing oxidative stress, and supporting the overall detoxification process. Number 4, turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine, has more to offer than just color and flavor. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, plays a significant role in the body's detoxification process. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant helping to combat free radicals in the body, but its unique strength lies in its ability to boost levels of glutathione. Glutathione plays a crucial role in detoxifying harmful substances in the body, turning them into compounds that can be easily eliminated. Curcumin also promotes the production of bile in the liver, an essential component in eliminating toxins from the body. In fact, bile is one of the main ways the body expels fat-soluble toxins. The benefits of turmeric and curcumin extend beyond detoxification. Number 5, garlic. This aromatic bulb, loved by cooks worldwide for the flavor it brings to dishes, also packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly in the realm of detoxification. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has potent medicinal properties. Allicin is activated when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, and it's responsible for the distinctly pungent aroma. Not only is it a natural antibiotic and a potent antioxidant, but allicin also aids the liver in detoxification by helping it produce detoxification enzymes that filter toxic residues from the digestive system. Furthermore, garlic has high sulfur content, an essential mineral in the body's detoxification process. Sulfur is a part of glutathione, a compound produced by the body, often referred to as the body's master antioxidant. Without sulfur, glutathione cannot work, so consuming foods rich in sulfur, like garlic, helps keep the body's detoxification machinery running smoothly. Number 6, almonds. Revered as one of the most nutritious nuts, almonds play a remarkable role in the body's detoxification process and overall health. Almonds are high in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and selenium. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting detoxification. They are rich in healthy fats and protein, which provide sustained energy and keep you feeling satisfied, reducing the likelihood of reaching for processed, toxin-loaded snacks. Aside from aiding detoxification, almonds offer a wealth of other health benefits. They're packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats, can help manage blood sugar levels, and contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. The high calcium content supports bone health, and magnesium and potassium are good for heart health. This concludes our list of 6 superfoods that you can include in your diet to cleanse your body from harmful toxins. From lemon to beetroots, ginger, turmeric, garlic, and almond, we explained how eating these healthy foods will free your body from harmful toxins. Most importantly, these foods are natural and easy to include in a diet plan. While eating these foods will improve your overall health, we highly recommend that you drink enough water and exercise regularly, at least 3 times a week. This will improve your liver and your kidneys' function. We invite you to check these other informative videos for more health tips and natural foods that promote well-being. If you love this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Always remember this: your health is your greatest asset. Take care.